Gates open, they're up and racing. Constatic draws for your lead, Miss Bling Bling. Chip Josan moving up by the rail. Then comes Seeing Lorque, Brave Lorque in between runners. Sweet Lorque is on the outside. Then comes for a Dugos Paramore Let Choice, followed by Erica's Jump. And trailing the group is Baby Dugo. About to pass the last 800. Constatic leading the field, followed closely by the rail, and moving up now on the outside is Miss Bling Bling to take second. Dropping back in third is Chip Josan. Past the last 600. Constatic by half length. Miss Bling Bling is on the outside. Racing in third is Chip Josan as the action kicks to the last 450. Constatic still leading the field. Miss Bling Bling is on the outside. Chip Josan firing back once again by the rail with 150 to go. Constatic. Chip Josan is by the rail with 75 meters. Constatic. Chip Josan is by the rail. Miss Bling Bling. And finally, Constatic. Chip Josan, Miss Bling Bling, Sing Lorque, Sweet Lorque, and close between Let Choice and Brave Lorque for your Pentapecta.